Welcome here. Welcome home. This guided meditation reconnects us with ourselves and our ancestors. Here we meet ourselves again, right where we are. Resting in an open space, the land breathes in, welcoming you home. Home within its spirit, its openness and vastness. This is the land in which generations of your ancestors rest, nurturing your place here. See the land in which so many generations of life has come from. Whether that's forestry, trees, plants, stone, living water, your familial kin, animal kin, elders, and all those who came before you that sustain your life here. See yourself standing or sitting in this place, whether sand, soil, greenery. You breathe into yourself, feeling into your being. See yourself. See the space around you and welcome your ancestors forward. See your ancestors standing in a circle around you, their presence welcoming every part of you. With each breath, you welcome their presence. A gesture, a smile. You recognize their face, and some faces are revealing themselves to you for the first time, welcoming you back to remembrance. You breathe in their embrace and hold your hands out. Your ancestors stand with you and welcome another line of generation. And as they stand, arms resting on the shoulder of the generations after, who stand now before you and reach their hands out towards you, their palms open, gesturing an invitation to receive that which rests in their hands. One by one you receive the gift that is rooted in and from your ancestors before you. It may be a gift of their wisdom that is being held out to you, offered back to you. Feel into what's being offered to you, return to you. With all that has been given, stand in acknowledgement of all that has now come to you, all that has returned to you, and all that has always been a part of you, all that has been called back to your being, your body, your voice. Offer your thanks in any gesture of love and gratitude. Thank you for listening to part 1 of our ancestor meditation. Subscribe to receive the next parts of this guided practice, each designed to help you deepen, clear, and meet yourself again. Breathe in. Long exhale out. Come back when you're ready. Return again, and remember, you are already worthy, and you are already enough.